Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video showcasing my newer Rough and Tumble bags that I just got recently. These I actually were able to score from the Rough and Tumble fans, super fans page. They have a buy, sell, trade and kind of thread, and these were from that. And I did get them from some ladies in America. I posted over here to Australia. And I have to say, I'm in love with this brand. I'm just in love with the leather and the styles. So I'll just quickly show you the bag styles and the leathers and stuff that I received. And I also wanted to go over how I'm packing these bags up for a potty training toddler. Clara is finally potty training and she's doing so well. She's basically just, I don't know, she's like done in the last 2 days. She hasn't had exits or anything. So I'm very lucky, but I still do need to take some things with me when I go out. So first of all, this little bag here, this is a single zip small hobo pack. The strap I have on here is an elevation strap. I think that's the mica with the distressed tusk, or is it espresso on the bottom. This particular leather is a lamb skin leather, and it's called Vachetta Shimmer with nubuck. I think this is a nubuck leather on the straps and the zipper pulls. So this is beautiful, soft, very kind of has a shimmery look to it, and I love it. So it is of course a convertible bag, so you can wear it backpack style. It does have nice thick straps on it, which I really like. Very comfortable. The only thing I have to say is this zipper here, I do like the exposed zippers a little bit better than the hidden zippers with the little flap. I think that's just a little bit easier to get into. So I do have this all packed up for just Clara and myself with her potty training stuff in there. So I wanted to do is kind of show you how the things in there actually fit into this other bag that I got. This is a vintage hoop hobo. Now you'll see there's some dark marks on here. It's just because I just cleaned it. When I got this out to do the video, I noticed there was some stuff on there from using it the other day, and I used the Light Remedy, and it does have, you know, a dark spots on it, but it will absorb into the leather. This is, I think this is Huckleberry, and it is a cowhide or cow skin leather, and this is distressed espresso, I believe. I'm still getting very used to it, all the different leathers and everything. This is just a short wide strap, so that I got with it, and it goes really nicely. This is a medium, so this is a medium vintage hoop hobo pack, and of course it is convertible. It was a custom bag, so, and being a vintage, it does have all the different hardware, hoops and adjusters and all that jazz on there, so that's what makes it a vintage, I'm pretty sure. The inside organization of these bags is pretty much the same. The only difference is, of course, this is a medium, so it is a lot bigger, and I do enjoy using this one more when I do have more children, and because I do like the extra room. These are great. The smalls are great as like mum bags or one kid or toddler or older kid bags. So I'll show you what I have in here, and then I will transfer it into this one in here, and I'll show you how much room extra in case you're new to Rough and Tumble or you just want to see how these pack up as kind of nappy kid bags. So as I said, this is a small one in here. The front zipper here goes all the way across, and it goes down to the bottom of the bag. On the inside you have the nylon lining there, and then on the other side is the raw leather, which is kind of really nice. I just have my iPhone 10 in there. I do really like the zippers. This is a nylon zipper here, but it is a metal zipper on the top here. So in the center of the bag here is how it is organized. So in the center here, I have my Karakit George wallet, a Y pouch 30, and a little small set piece with some squiggies in there for entertainment. Okay, so it is a little bit squishy because I do have some things in all the other pockets. Now I'm going to go to this is the front side of the bag, and there's a long zip pocket, and in here I actually have a 12 little packing case. This is the large out of the trio set, and this is what I have potty training stuff in. I have a Jujubee wet bag in there, a spare pair of shorts, a couple of pairs of undies, and these little training pants. So that actually is nice and squishy, and I like how it's not kind of open in the bag. I like putting those things into a pouch. And then there is a pocket back here, leather pocket, and I just have a coin purse with some disposable baggies. Now turning the bag back around, so this is now the back side of the bag that would be against your back if you're wearing it on your back. There are 2 slip pockets and then some little leather pockets inside of those, and in this side I just have a small thermos bottle. And then in the pocket behind that I have a Itsy Bitsy snack bag. This just has my lipstick and lip gloss because I normally have it in a small set piece, but that's being washed at the moment. I looked at it today and was like, ew, that's gross. So I put my stuff into this instead while that's being washed. And then on the other side I just have my typical small set piece with all my Mummy Medkit stuff and hand sanitizer. And then in the slip pocket a coin purse with my hairbrush and hair ties. So that's what this looks like empty. So you can usually zip this pocket up, this long pocket, but because the packing case is a little bit taller, it wasn't going to zip. So I think I might use this just as a purse for now until I'm really out of nappies with Clara, unless I really feel like I want to take this one, but it was a little bit squishy for my liking. The medium is a lot better when it comes to fitting that type of stuff in. This is a beautiful bag. I do want to mention these are not structured bags, so if you're after something structured, this is probably not for you. Doesn't bother me because I love this type of bag. This is just very much my style. So this particular bag has zippers. The vintage bag has zippers at the top. They go all the way down the pockets. And what I normally do is I normally put my phone in one side, say this side because that's going to be the closest to me, and then in this side I like to put a Baby Olay shopping tote, and I just kind of fold it up like this and in half, and then I just usually kind of pop that in there, and then that way I like to have that handy if I need it. So I will pop my phone in the other side. Huge pockets, but you got to be aware if you do put something in there that's kind of lengthways or really structured and you have it on your back, it may pull it around, and I didn't really want that kind of look. The inside of this is of course linen on one side and raw leather on the other, just like on the other pocket on the small one that I showed you. Nothing on the back, there's nothing on the bottom. I mean, you've got your strap here. This is a thinner strap than the other one, the other bag. I'll just show you here. So apparently this is standard on the Hobo Hoop ones, but it is still very comfortable, so I didn't have an issue with that at all. So when you custom make your bags, you can request to have these straps longer and things like that. I will just take this short strap off because I like to do it as a hobo, as a backpack. It's so good that it's that versatile. All right, so that's what it looks like empty. Exact same organization as the other bag. So what we'll do is put in the nappy changing pouch first. So here it is here. Okay, and see how that fits just so perfectly in there, slides right in. Then put the coin purse with the baggies and stuff back here. So it's going to be laid out exactly the same as the other bag, but you will see how there's so much more room. Okay, and then on the other, so we're turning it around now. I'll just put my set piece with my stuff in there, hand sanitizer, hairbrush and hair ties in there, lipstick stuff, pop in this one. As I said, normally that's in a small set piece, but for now it's in that. Drink bottle, kind of give it a shake, and there's still room inside the center there. So I've got Y pouch, George wallet, small set piece with squiggies, and voila. Now I want to mention that I do normally put my keys on this hook in the middle here on both bags. They're just downstairs at the moment, but that doesn't really take up any room. So there you go. So you can kind of see how you've got more room, stuffable room in there. On this one there is a thing here, and all these bags come with a key hook that's removable. On this particular one you do have this little hook here, which is kind of cool. So an extra hook, you can attach something there too if you wanted to. So that, I really like that packed better with those things into this particular size bag. And it's still got that floppy look. It's still, you can still do the hobo look. I do have some on the body pictures of both bags that I'll pop at the end of the video. So there you go. So there is the medium, and here is the empty small from the beginning. So I really do love these bags. I've become a tad obsessed. You'll probably see loads more videos and pictures of different styles from Rough and Tumble. I do have several other bags coming. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that helped a little bit, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.